Step-parenting can be very stressful for many couples, especially in the beginning. If certain issues are not addressed early, the marriage could be severely damaged. Therefore, if you marry someone with children, especially if one or more of the children will live in your household, I strongly encourage you to have a candid discussion about parenting issues with your spouse before you are faced with parenting issues that could fracture your marriage. As you try to mold your blended family into one cohesive unit, consider the following tips. They may help you work through any tension and develop a stronger relationship with your spouse and stepchildren. Number 5, exercise patience with your children. Don't try to force your stepchildren to call you mom or dad. If you do, you may be asking for trouble. This may be especially disturbing for the stepchildren if they have already established a strong bond with their non-custodial natural parent. Instead, make an effort to lovingly nurture your stepchildren in a way that comes naturally for you. Set aside time to visit with them individually and give them an opportunity to talk and freely express themselves. Encourage your spouse to do the same thing with the children. When you visit with your stepchildren, listen to what they have to say, and listen for what they don't say also. If your stepchildren show signs of anger, let them vent. They could have erroneous thoughts about you that need to be discussed. By letting them vent, you may find clues to helping the family transition easier. If you let relationships develop naturally, you may be surprised one day when they voluntarily call you mom or dad or introduce you to their friends as their father or mother.